Hello everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. An earthquake of 3.3 magnitude felt in Assam, India. Depth of this earthquake is 5 km and this earthquake felt on Thursday, March 17, 2022. Local time is 7:53 am. Nearby towns and cities 18 km south of Mahur and 19 km south and east of Heglong. Weather at epicenter at time of quake: clear sky, 23.9 degrees centigrade, 75 Fahrenheit. Humidity is 26% and wind is 1 meter per second from east and south. Primary data source is NCS, National Center of Seismology. Estimated release energy is 1.56 megawatt hours, which is equivalent to 1.34 tons. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.